Here is a list of cities with the weather forecast. As you see, I am missing data here. It is my goal to only keep data that is complete. For this, I must delete this row or delete a complete column if any of its values are missing. In this video, I show how to do this with Pandas. I have pip installed Pandas and created a dictionary with the data. I packed the dictionary in a Pandas data frame and print it. And that works. The missing data shows up as not a number. The first thing I will show is removing the row with the missing data. For this I use the drop NA method. NA stands for not available. I print the cleaned up data and try again. Notice the row for Berlin has been removed. Now I show the second option, and that is to remove a complete column when one of its values is missing. I call drop NA again and set access to column. Notice that all rows are shown, but the column with rain prediction is gone. A link to the documentation is in the description, and if you want to see more Python magic, click on this video.